Hey everyone, we are here at Lake Michigan. I'm with Alex.
Hey.
We are hanging out on this beautiful sunny and hot day, and we are going to talk about gerunds. Gerunds come from verbs, and they even look like verbs. They are verbs plus the ing. However, instead of filling the verb position in our sentence, gerunds fill the noun position. So they can appear in many places in our sentences. Let's look at some examples. All right, so let's look at a verb example. I am sitting in the sun. So am sitting is our present continuous. This is a verb. Okay, now let's look at sitting used as a gerund. So if I put this in my subject position, that's where a noun would go. And I say, sitting in the sun is enjoyable. So here, sitting, here. Alex is swimming. So this is our verb, is swimming. That's a present continuous verb. But we could use this as a gerund, and we could say swimming is fun. Alex, how's that water?
Ooh, this water is freezing.
So because gerunds act as nouns, they can occupy many parts of our sentence. They can be in the subject, so I could say swimming is fun. They could occupy the object of a sentence. I enjoy sitting in the sun. Or they could be the object of a preposition. I bought this hat for sitting in the sun. Now, gerunds can become more complicated if our subjects and objects become more complicated. So, for example, swimming is fun. It's okay, we can find the gerund, but if I say swimming in the summer in Lake Michigan is fun, now my subject is a lot more complicated. I have all those prepositional phrases in the summer in Lake Michigan before I even get to my verb. So this can make knowing what is a gerund and what is a verb more complicated. Here is another example of a sentence with a more complicated subject that contains a gerund. So learning another language as an adult is difficult. So in this sentence, learning is our gerund. So here are some examples of gerunds used as the object of a sentence. I enjoy camping. I enjoy swimming. I enjoy boating, running, walking, fishing. All of those ing words are gerunds, and they are in the object position. In those sentences, our verb is enjoy.